สวัสดีค่ะชื่อนางสาวทิมแก้วหนอทองนะคะชื่อเล่นชื่อแป้งค่ะก็วันนี้จะร้องเพลง Lonely Goatherd ค่ะ High on the hill was a lonely goatherd lay oh delay oh delay hoo loud was the voice of a lonely goatherd lay oh delay oh delay a folksy little town was quite remote herd lay oh delay hoo lost and clear from a goatherd thought herd lay oh delay One little girl in a pale pink goatherd lay hoo she yelled back to the lonely goatherd lay hoo Soon her mama with a screaming goatherd lay What to do it? I become a trio lay loo Hodelay 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 ขอบคุณค่ะ